Hello everyone, my name is Raj and welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, we are going to continue where we left off in the fourth part of the widget series. So without any further delay, let's get started. So this is where we left off in the fourth part of the tutorial. I will quickly hit play and click on update widget. And this is where we left off last time. So this time what we're going to take a look at is we are going to see how we can make sure that the text stays within this area and does not go out. For example, if I write something really long like this and hit an update, you can see the text is going out of the screen. So all we are going to do in this part of the tutorial is we are going to make sure that the text doesn't go out of the screen, and it will scale down automatically once the text becomes longer than the screen. So what I will do is I will go to my blueprint. Of course, do check out the other parts. We have done how to make all this blueprint and all the stuff, so check it out and then come back here. So from this blueprint, I am going to jump to the widget, which is over here. This is the widget, right? I will select the animation and you can see this is the animation, right? For the sake of the tutorial, what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the animation of the text. Instead of it coming from left to right, I am going to animate it from the bottom to up. So what I will do is, this is my text, I believe. Yes, this is my text. I am going to the last keyframe and remove all the keyframes. I will compile it and now it's back where it's supposed to be. I will set a keyframe in the y-axis at the end and bring it all the way back like this and just move the text somewhere down like this. All right. And now I should have an animation. Now if I compile and go back, you will see that the animation has changed. Let me just update it. And if I play reverse quickly, I will go back to my widget, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to select in the palette, I am going to search for the size box. Sorry, it is not the size box, it is the scale box. So I'm going to drag the scale box all the way down to the canvas like this, and let me go to the last keyframe because the text is over here, so I need the text to be there. And I'm going to select the scale box and drag it down like this, and maybe bring it all the way where I want it. Like the size of the text, I want it to be confined within this box, right? So I will bring it and just move it accordingly. Is it? Yeah, this is fine. And now I am going to take the text itself, which is here, and drag it under the scale box like this. The moment I do this, the text centers itself. All right. And now if I write any text, it should be confined within that scale box. If I type something else, this is very long, you can see it is still confined within that box. And so now let's just delete everything, and this is the default. Compile and save. Go back here. If I play this, select my blueprint, update, and now I can write something very long and it will still fit in. As you can see, it always fits within the size. So this was a quick tutorial on the scale box. In the next part of this widget series, we are going to create this graphic from scratch. We will be combining all the techniques that we have learned so far. So if you are not subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thank you.